Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nora, and if you're not familiar with my channel, welcome. To do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I upload new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I wanted to share with you some amazing smelling perfumes that I just received. One of the things that I love is a really good smelling fragrance. So a company named Dossier recently reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in reviewing their luxury perfumes. Their perfumes are similar to designer fragrances, but at a much more affordable cost. They smell absolutely amazing, and so I agreed to review them, and I am in love, you guys. These are the best perfumes I have had in a long time. Everybody should know about them. You've probably seen their ads online and wonder like what the hype is. They're actually so good. Recently sent out 2 of these for me. I have made a video about these before, but I did just receive a new one, and oh my god, I am in love. So first off, their website is dossier.co, and I will link everything down below, including a discount code for you guys. But they do send them in this cute little box. It says Dossier, and yeah, it's super cute. Everything is like nice, neatly packaged, and it says here, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So a lot of their fragrances have are based off of designer fragrances, and I just love it. These are actually vegan and cruelty free and paraben free, and also they do have like a risk-free trial, so if you don't like it, you can go ahead and return it, and they don't even ask any questions. They'll go ahead and return it for you, which I think is amazing. So the recent one that I got is a fruity jasmine, and hopefully you guys can see that. Let's see. So it's a fruity jasmine. Sorry, my lighting is a little bright, but the top notes on this one are mandarin, green leaves, sweet pea. Middle notes are jasmine, ylang ylang, champaca, and peach. Base notes are sandalwood, plum, and musk. This is identical. I'm talking about, I was a huge fan of Dior, the perfume J'adore by Dior. For years, I was obsessed with that perfume. Like, if you're like old school and you know what I'm talking about, you know how amazing that perfume smells. J'adore was like my staple go-to, and I hadn't bought it in a really long time, and they sent me this, and I'm talking about, it smells identical. Spot on. They got this 100% correct. I am so happy I got this. You don't even know. The scent lasts literally all day. I'll put this on in the morning, and this will last for me like all day long. And I just love it. It's fruity jasmine. It's just such a good scent. And they also sent me another one. This one I got a little while back ago. This one is the Floriental Orange Blossom. And by the way, these are all made in France. They have the risk-free order. They're all clean, vegan, cruelty-free ingredients. And this one came with a little sample. So yours would come with the perfume and a little sample if you can test it out, and if you don't like it, you can just go ahead and return it. No questions asked. You can actually order up to 5 perfumes at a time and just return the ones you're not happy with. So this is the Floriental Orange Blossom. The top notes here are violet, mimosa, ylang ylang. Middle notes are orange blossom, gardenia, and tuberose. Base notes are vanilla, sandalwood, and orris. And this one is actually a little bit stronger. It's still a very good smelling perfume. I absolutely love it. I love the fact that you get a full, these bottles are 50 ml, 1.7 ounce, but they are very generous. If you can see that, like, these are full bottles of perfume. You're getting an excellent deal, and I just love them. And I love, these are like perfect summer scents. So right now, I know they're having a huge 4th of July sale, and today is actually July 3rd. So If you go in my description box, you'll have a coupon code that you can use, and they're also having this big 4th of July sale, so I would definitely take advantage of that sale right now. But these perfumes are, I would say, absolutely worth it. It's just a really cool way to like smell good. I just love a great smelling perfume. Like that just helps boost my confidence so much. I don't know if you're like me, but a good outfit and a good smelling perfume is like everything for me. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I would definitely check them out. If you order 3 cents and more, they do offer free shipping, and you get them really quick. I got this within like less than a week of placing the order. So their shipping is excellent, their customer service is amazing, and yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I love sharing things that I love on here, and these perfumes are like the latest thing for me. I am completely obsessed. This is definitely my favorite, the Fruity Jasmine. If you love Christian Dior, if you love that J'adore perfume, this is the perfume, ladies. This is it. It's amazing. It smells so good. And yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys. So make sure that you click in the description box if you wanted to see the links and the discount code they have. They also offer men's colognes, so it's not just for women, they have men's. Some of the scent categories are ambery, aquatic, aromatic, citrus, floral, floriental, fougere, hopefully I'm spelling that right, I'm saying that right, fruity, gourmand, and green, musky, and oriental, powdery, spicy, and woody. So those are the scent categories, which all of these would fall into different ones. They also have like a quiz on their website where you can take the quiz and find out like what scents would be best for you and what their recommendations are based on like what you like and what your preferences are. So I would definitely check them out, and it is dossier.co. Thank you to Dossier for sending these out for me. Make sure you check them out, you guys. This is so worth it, and you're gonna smell amazing. You are going to smell delicious all summer long. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried them out. Which scent is your favorite? Mine is definitely the Fruity Jasmine. I am hooked on this. I'm gonna restock as many times as possible. I'm in love with it. So check them out, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.